Hi, in this video we're going to explain part 2 of our theme project, where you're going to create a website using Microsoft Expression Web. This website will be a documentary for the work you made through the STEAM project in 3 subjects: science, math, and French. Remember, part 2 is a group work where each group will going to create his own website. The project requirements are posted on Classera on trimester 1 STEAM project. You need to create a website consisted of a home page and more 4 web pages, one for math, science, French, and photo gallery. A clear project description should be added to the website homepage. And you need to add your group name and group member as well. On each page you're going to add the materials you collected on task 1 for each subject. You're gonna take those materials from the teacher's subject for the math, science, French, and photo gallery. Each page should have a clear page title. The page title is the same as we're having here. This one is a page title. A background color. You need to style any image you're gonna add to a website, changing the border style, changing the position, and so on. Here we're having the members, the role of each member in the group. Member number 1 is responsible for creating a source folder for the website. He will be responsible for creating the website itself on Expression Web. He will be responsible for the page frame, the home page, and creating an interactive button to open the home page. And I'm gonna show you how to create all of those steps practically. Member 2 will be responsible for the French materials. He will create a web page for the French material. He will add the French materials. Okay, you're gonna take those materials from Mr. Abanop. He will be responsible for adding an interactive button on the menu to open the French page. Member number 3 will be responsible for the science material, and he will do the same as French. Member number 4 will be responsible for the gallery page, or for the photo gallery. Those photos will be collected during the Scapers event. Okay, so only member 4 task will be postponed after the Scapers. By the way, the due of the project will be Thursday, 11th of November. So make sure to finish before that time. Only member 4 task will be postponed after finalizing or after the Scapers game. And me or Miss Heba will be responsible for collecting the photos and giving the photos for member number 4. Member number 5 will be responsible for the math materials. Okay, now we're going to start the practical part. Step number 1 will be creating the source folder. So on document, I will right click, new folder, name the folder with your group name. Okay, group 1 dash website. Okay, sorry, this is equal. And then we're going to open Expression Web. After opening Expression Web, you're going to select Site menu, then New Site. Make sure General and One Page Site is selected. Browse and select the folder we created on Documents. Open and change the name to be only group 1 or your group name. Okay, yes. Now we're having our website created with only one page, default.html, which will be working as our home page. Double click default and write the project description here, and make sure to choose a suitable font project. Add a project description here. Okay, definitely you're gonna add a paragraph representing your project description. I'm just gonna write project description, and then you're gonna add your group name. Group 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, and here you're going to add group members. Add them as a numbered list and add the names 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now you're done with the content of homepage or the default HTML. Then we're going to create a page frame from file menu, new page. Okay, select frames, pages, select the first options, banners and contents, and click OK. On the middle here, set initial page. Okay, and select the default HTML or the home page and click OK. Now the home page is displayed here in the middle. Then here on the left side, we're going to create like a small menu. That menu will have like buttons. One will open the home page, the second one will open the French, math, science and so on. So we're going to click new page, from insert menu, interactive button, choose any button you wish. I'm fine with that one, and home. Okay, sorry, home. Okay, that will be displayed on the button. And for the link, we're gonna click browse and select default. Okay, the link of default HTML or the home page will be displayed here. Target frame, I need the main frame here in the middle, so the page will be opened in the middle. We're gonna click OK, 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 and save them all. Save. Okay, save. By the way, we forgot to change the title of default HTML and the background color. So right click here, page properties, and from title we're going to type home page. Home page. And for the background, click formatting, and from background color choose any color you wish. More, I'm gonna select that one. Okay, so we changed the background color. Again, save all. Okay, the displayed page here, change it. We're going to click here to open your website on Google Chrome. Here we have our website displayed on Google Chrome. Here we have the menu, the home page displayed in the middle. If you need to add any description here, maybe your logo, maybe a slogan or anything, feel free to add them from here. Create a new page and add whatever you want here as a description, يعني more description, an image, anything. Okay, this is an optional task for member number 1 of each group. Okay, we didn't change the title of the frame. It's displaying untitled one, so we need to right click here, frame properties, right click any empty place, click frames properties, from frames page, general, change the title to be Steam project. Okay, click OK and make sure to save all. Back to Google Chrome and refresh. Now Steam project is displayed as a title for the for our project title or for the main page or the frame. This is the task assigned for member number 1. So after member number 1 finish, he needs to give the source folder to member number 2. With any mean on a flash memory, you may create the project on the computer lab, and each member will make his task on the computer lab during the snack or during the break, as you like. Okay, so member number 2 responsibility, after taking the website from member number 1, as we said, he will select the folder, right click, new, HTML, change its name to be French. Okay, double click and open it. Start adding the French materials here. Don't forget to right click and page properties, change the title to be French and change the background color to any color of your choice. I'm gonna make mine gray and add any image you need, for example from insert and from a picture, from file, select any image, for example this one, add any alternative name, browse. Okay, sorry, just click OK, and here we're having our image. New style, to style your image, I'm gonna select from the selector IMG. Okay, and from page borders or borders here on categories, select any suitable frame and color that frame, apply. Okay, and from the position here we may select relative and value, change its value to be 350, apply. Okay, so it will start 350 from the left. Okay, this is the styles I need for the images, and select a suitable format and styles for the font. Click here on the frame, right click, enter, from insert, interactive button, select a suitable interactive button, change the display text to be French, browse for the French page, target frame, here in the main. Okay, and okay, save all. Okay, refresh here. When we click French, it will open the French page. When we open home, it will open the home page. Now member number 2 task is done. He will deliver the folder to member number 3, who will be responsible for the science materials. I'm going to do the same steps quickly. New HTML, change its name to be science. Okay, sorry. Double click, open it, add the science materials here. Definitely add any images, add the styles. Don't forget to change the title to be science and the background to any color from your own choice. Back to the frame and right click, sorry, and enter again. I said right click twice. Insert interactive button, change the display text to be science and browse for the science page. Target frame, it should be open in the middle. Okay, save all. Here, refresh, click here, it will open the science. As for the gallery, we're going to create a new one. Gallery. Okay, just insert picture from file, and we're gonna give you all the images you need. You just need to insert them here and change their style from new style and so on. Then you need to add a gallery one here, a gallery interactive button here. So insert interactive button and change the display name to be gallery. Browse for the gallery page. Target frame, make sure it's the main one. Okay, it's here. The final one will be member number 5, who will be responsible for the math. He will repeat the same steps for the math, and don't forget to add an interactive button here on the menu for math. Remember, the gallery task or member number 4 task will be postponed after we finish the Scapers event. Okay, I'm going to do the math quickly. The folder, not this one. Scroll up the folder here, right click, new HTML. Okay, they are long, but each one will do a small step as a group work. Just double click. Math materials should be displayed here, and back to the main menu. Double right, enter, insert interactive, change this one to be math, and browse here for the math page. Target frame, main. Okay, we need to save them all. Okay, remember to test your website before delivering the flash memory or the website to the second member. Okay, do not just give him the flash memory without testing your steps on Google Chrome. Just refresh here, home page, French, science, gallery, and math, and finally we're done. Don't forget to change each page, title, background page, add images, change their styles, and good luck. Finally, member number 1 will be responsible for uploading the group website on Classera. Okay, so make sure to upload your website on Classera. Only member number 1 will be responsible for the uploads. Thank you so much. If you're having any question, feel free to ask me at school. Thank you.